Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Payoneer account step by step. So step 1, log into your Payoneer account using your browser, not in the mobile app. Step 2, click on the gear icon at the top right and then select settings. Step 3, under the menu, choose bank accounts and make sure all balances are cleared. Step 4, remove any linked bank accounts or payment methods. Step 5, go to the help section at the top and click contact us. Step 6, under the account information, choose close or reopen account. Step 7, click on I want to close my account and fill out the form with your reason. Step 8. Submit the request and wait for Payoneer's email confirmation. Step 9. They may reply with questions or alternatives before approving the closure of your account. And you can wait for their email and confirmation. And that's how you request the deletion of your Payoneer account properly. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.